こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Kanji video number 10 of JLPT N4 about hobbies. The first kanji is this one. We can pronounce utsusu, utsushimasu. It means to copy written items. Copy. And shashin. Shashin is the picture or the photograph. This kanji symbolizes this part, a house or the cage. And here, this is the birds. So it means you transfer the bird to the cages to transfer. If you transfer a bird from here to the other place, still the same bird, right? So from here, it means to transfer and to copy just the same. Even if you transfer, the bird is the same one. So from here, the copy the written items or the pictures like this. So this means the copy. Stroke order. The first one, 一画目 is this red one. From here, a little bit going outside. Short one. And then this black line going a little bit up and like this. Now the third line is this one, the blue one, from here like this. And the green one, from here you are going to your left a little bit, and then again to your right, the same inclination as this one, and now going like this and jump. Now the last stroke, the fifth one, 5画目, from here, from left to right. And this is longest one, the longer than this one, and you finish more outside and going a little bit up. This kanji and this one that we're going to learn, the next one, together we pronounce 写真. 写真, it means the picture or the photograph. Next kanji is this one, and we can pronounce in ma or ma with jump sound and shin. And this kanji means true. The stroke order is quite easy. At first, we're gonna write 10, 10 here. The first red line, 1, and just in the center, in the middle, this black one. And this is 10. The next part is here, and this is kanji of me, the eye. So quite easy, the same way. The first one, like this, 1 and 2, and red one, black one, and blue one. And you must be careful. This me is narrower than here, this red one, okay? And also a little bit like this. And here, these spaces about the same percent. Now the 8th stroke is this green one from left to right. And this is the longest one and a little bit going up like this. And this red one going outside, and this black one also like this. And when you see this kanji, this black line must be just in the center, okay? So the left part and the right part is in the same ratio. Midmost, or just right in the middle, we say 真ん中, 真ん中. Pure white, 真っ白. Well, 白, it means white, but ま with this kanji and also small つ, okay? 真っ白, pure white. My mind went blank. This is an expression, and there's one in Japanese too. 真っ白, this is not adjective. So when I want to say, my mind went blank, 真っ白になりました。頭が真っ白になりました。頭が真っ白になりました。bright red, deep red, so red, 真っ赤。This is also not adjective. 真っ赤な something. A big fat lie. We say 真っ赤な嘘。嘘 means lie. I blushed. In Japanese, we can say using this 真っ赤 face, face, we say 顔、顔、顔が真っ赤に、真っ赤になりました。顔が真っ赤になりました。Deep blue, bright blue, 真っ青。And you must be careful because only this kanji it is 青, blue, 青. But here we pronounce with like sao with here. 真っ青、真っ青。Deep blue. Bright blue sky. Oh, how beautiful. As this is not adjective, we say 真っ青な空。真っ青な空. One interesting thing, when you say in English, oh, you went white, or white as paper. But we don't use white, but we use 真っ青 in this meaning. Face turned pale, or face turned white as paper. 顔が真っ青になりました。顔が真っ青になりました。Jet black, pitch black, 真っ黒、真っ黒。You know, 黒 is black, so 真っ黒 is more, so pitch black. Pitch dark, extremely dark. 真っ暗、真っ暗。Well, 暗い from here. 暗い it means dark. In this case, E adjective, 暗い. But when we say 真っ暗, this is not adjective. Not adjective, 真っ暗。Extremely dark room. 真っ暗な部屋。真っ暗な部屋。Straight, straight on. まっすぐ。Sincere, honest, faithful, earnest, hardworking, serious. This very, very good one. It is 真面目。そう、真面目な人。So wonderful person. Sincerity, a true heart, with all my heart. 真心、真心 with this kanji. And only this is 心。心 is heart. But here we pronounce with 点々 because with 真心。The truth, the truth. 真実、真実。The next kanji is this one. 旅。旅, it means trip or travel. But in onyomi, we can pronounce りょ。りょ。And with this kanji, the 行きます to go, 旅行, it means to trip or travel, also the noun. And 旅行します to travel, to trip, the verb. Or 旅行に行きます I go on a trip. Now let's write this kanji with me. The first one, this red line, quite short and going a little bit inside. And the next one is this black one from left to right and a little bit going up, also short. Now the third stroke, 三画目, this blue one here, like this, and going outside and jump. And now this green line, the fourth one, from here, and you touch this point of the blue and going outside. Now the right part of the tsukuri, and the first, this red line, and this red one is a little bit higher than here, okay? Then like no from katakana, nani no ne no, like this. And now this black line going a little bit up, a little bit going like this. Now, like E from katakana, a, I, U, E, O. This blue one and a green one. So the first blue one like this, and now this green line goes straight down. まっすぐ下に行きます。The last two strokes, this red one is similar to this blue one, but shorter, like and then this black line to the long one. Traditional Japanese style hotel, we say 旅館 with this kanji. 旅, like trip, and kan. This kan we use in toshokan, bijutsukan, like this. This kan is a big place where a big public place where everybody can go. The travel expenses or the cost of the trip, 旅費, 旅費, because this means the money, the expenses. The next kanji is this one, and the meaning is the world, or also a long period of time. This kanji symbolizes 3, 10. It means 10. Like here, this is kanji 10, 10, and here again other 10, other 10, and this one 10. So 3 times 10, 30 years. 30 years is a long period of time. So young generation, the different generation, 30 years. So this means long period of time. This kanji pronounces se. And also the hiragana se is quite similar to this one, right? Se and sei or yo. Stroke order. The first one is just as the same as this one. Se from hiragana, like this. 1. And the second stroke here in hiragana, there's no in the center, but here from the up going down, the second one, and the third one is this one, 3 and 4. You close here. You must be careful. The second stroke you begin from here, so this is the highest, but the third one, this stroke, it's not so high as this one, right? The last stroke is this red one, and you must be careful because this black one is the highest, and the second highest is this one, blue one. And now you must begin this red one a little bit lower than just a little bit lower than this blue one, and you're going like this, and you turn to your right. And the finishing point of this one is more inside, shorter than this one, okay? 21st century with this kanji. 21世紀. Here, jump sound. Not 21世紀, but 21世紀. The Middle Ages between the 5th century and the 15th century in Europe. 中世, the Middle Ages. 中世. This world that we live, この世, この世, the afterlife, the next life, あの世, あの世. The verb to take care of or to look after, we say 世話をします, or we can omit 世話します, 世話します. I'm taking care of my grandma. おばあちゃんの世話をしています。おばあちゃんの世話をしています。The next and the last kanji of today is this one. 海. 海. And the meaning is the border or the boundary or the frontier. This kanji symbolizes this part is ta, rice field. Rice field. And here the person dividing the rice field. So from here, this is the frontier or the border. The world, 世界, 世界, limit or limits with this kanji, 限界, 限界, limit. For example, I want to say, oh, this is already my limits. I can't do any more. もう限界です. Visual field, or the visibility. 視界, 視界 with this kanji. All over the world, around the world. 世界中, 世界中. Here, this kanji we pronounce 10 with shi, 10. I already made very interesting video about this 10, and sometimes 10 and sometimes chu. So when to say chu or when you pronounce 10. And this is my expression video number 16. Please watch it. And I've got another very interesting video. This is grammar number 99 of JLPT N5. And there I say about the difference between 中 and までに。In Japanese, we've got three verbs to say to die. 死にます、亡くなります、他界します。他界します with this kanji. To die, very direct form. To die. This is 死にます。And a little bit more elegant way to pass away. To pass away. なくなります。なくなります。And even more like in the literature, we say 他界します。In English, you can translate to pass away. 他界します。Now a quiz time with 3 translations into Japanese using the kanjis that we learned today. 1番目 I would like to travel all over the world next year. 2番目 My hobby is taking pictures of animals. 3番目最後です。I bought 5 deep red-colored apples this morning. With this video, you already learned 50 kanji of JLPT N4. I hope I could help you how to write beautifully these kanjis and also how to read these kanjis. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a like, and if you can share my videos with your friends, you will help me a lot. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it so that you can learn Japanese with me. いかがでしたか？今日もまた5つの新しい漢字を覚えました。これは漢字のビデオの10番目、もう4級の10番目ですから、もう4級の漢字も50も覚えたことになりますよ。すごいですね。4級の漢字は110でしたから、110足す50でもう160です。このように私のチャンネルでは漢字だけではなくて文法も、そして日本の文化もいろいろと説明していっています。このビデオが少しでもお役に立てたら、ぜひいいねボタン忘れないでお願いいたします。そして私のビデオをお友達に紹介してくださったら本当に助かります。もしまだチャンネル登録をなされていなかったら、ぜひなさってくださいね。そうすればこれからも私と一緒に日本語を勉強することができますよ。日本語を勉強することによって日本の文化、日本のアニメ、そして日本人の考え方とかももっとよくわかると思います。皆さんのお役に立てるようにこれからも頑張っていきますから、ぜひ応援してください。また次のビデオでお会いできるのをとても楽しみにしています。絶対に来てください。じゃあね、またね。